Alright, we out here volunteering at our old high school's cross country event.
Gang.
Whole squad here. Danny Duncan's sponsoring this vlog. I mean, I would sponsor it, but I'm broke. Hey, bro. Hey, what up, Dan? Ah! She's sprinting. Oh. Wow. Put the burners on. Boom. Sonic guy. Oh, she on your tail.
There you go.
Look at this dude. So, look at this dude.
Look at this right here.
Hey. Oh, they shooting! Oh, okay. Trying to take a picture like a dad, honestly. He's all leaned up to it. Get him, they're right behind you, bro. Ain't nobody behind them. Hey, this boy John came here.
Hey, why is this material so scratchy?
He act like he got fleas.
Come on, let's go, Northwood! Let's go!
Hey, John, chill. Yo, he needs to talk to you. Yo, chill. Look who pulled up.
Well, you know how to come through.
Hey, okay. Came through dripping.
No port for life.
He ain't even go to this school. Yeah, go for it. Hey, I love the kids. Hey, I love the kids. We out here for the children. I got you, bro.
Oh, thanks, dog.
And it's gonna get you looking right. Hey! Oh!
Look at you go! Spread out, give him some room,
Hey, what up, Joe? Bink.
What up, Joe?
Wait, when y'all get... What kind of... Ooh! Hey! Why my handshake just bland?
He hit my car! Call the police!
Look at this dude, Danny, awarding the kids. Hey, what can we do that's funny?
Should I throw this biscuit at him?
But we're not throwing a biscuit. Hey, Sanjay, who you got there?
This is Danny Duncan.
Oh, yeah?
He's my Beast fan.
Oh, yeah, you funny. There we go.
We fall down, but we get up.
Yo, okay, I can Yo, you got height. You got hair.
I can't do it, coach. I look like he going through stuff.
Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying you could do better.
Yo, the pig.
If you look closely, you can see a fat black animal, Duane.
What's this little thing?
Boy, if you don't put me down before I bite your ear off.
Yo!
Oh, chill! Chill! Oh, he gotta kick you.
You see, I'm telling you, bro. I'm not playing with you. See the thing?
Ready? Look at this. Ooh. Oh! There it is. Easiest way to light a firework. Six shots. Come on, bro. Oh. That's it. Duane, stop myself. Oh man, they're fire! Fire! Somebody. I think these are my old shoes. Oh, there's a fire.
And then a hero comes along with the strength to carry on. Everywhere you look.
I have like Sammy, get your face out of here.
Yo, forehead taking up the whole thing. Alright, that's the vlog. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Do what you gotta do. Hold up. Is that my vlog camera?
Did y'all do the thing where you shut up my Instagram?
No.
What about the thing when I say like
What
bye?
thing?
You know how, the thing I go toodaloo.
Lately, I've been thinking I want you to be happier.